Good morning. People often ask me how to record their screen or an individual Chrome tab or even an application so that they can share the screen and share themselves on video, giving an instructional training video or perhaps giving a presentation. And this is a short explainer on how to do exactly that using a tool that I've been using called Clapboard from Storyxpress. You'll see above me just here is the address for Storyxpress and their product. It's a Chrome extension called Clapboard. So first of all, I'm going to reduce this screen here. On this screen here, you can see my dashboard on Storyxpress. Going back up to my video in the corner here, you can see all the content down there. But I can make this a little bit larger if I want to. I can make it full screen if I want to. I'll just shrink that back down again. The instructions on starting a video with Clapboard. I can't show those while I'm actually recording this, but I've copied how the instructions look. So when you start to use the Clapboard extension here, you can use the button here to record your screen and your webcam, just the screen only or just your camera only. You can have an introduction at the start, which starts with your video being large. You can select the audio and, of course, which webcam and microphone you want to use. Now, there are lots of uses for this. It could be that you want to show something on your Chrome browser. It might be that you want to show an explainer on how to use a particular tool. It might be that you're playing a video. So we go to this video here from Regex of Adele.
Genuine, warm customer experience.
As you can see, it records that clearly there. I'll just pause that. If I wanted to, I'll just hide this bar. If I wanted to draw on the screen here, I could choose the pen. Let's choose a red pen. I could draw a circle around here. I could make, let's see, a little face. I could erase that, obviously. If I want to put type on the screen, then I can do that here and have any kind of type there. Obviously, I should have chosen the white type for that. Or I can use the focus button to point to particular areas on the screen that I'm talking about. So if I was given instructions on how to use a particular piece of software, then this is a great tool for doing that. I'll just put this back to the cursor. And again, if I was giving any kind of explanation, let's take an example. If I wanted to copy and paste, I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to paste it into Facebook. A lot of people aren't aware that you can just paste a photograph into Facebook and post it. Then you can do just that. So that would be an example of something that you might use it for. Another thing is you might want to have a PowerPoint presentation being shown. So if we go to this here, we could be giving our PowerPoint presentation and recording that on screen. Now, when you record an application like this, your video won't appear in the corner. So that's one drawback, because the video is actually predicated on you being on the web page here. But as you can see, with my face here, I can be looking at the content and referring to whatever's down there. Going back to the Storyxpress in the, just make this a little bit larger here. And of course I can move myself around the screen. If I found I was in the way, if the camera was in the way of whatever I was trying to talk about, I could move this out of the way. So I'm then pointing up at the content here, or down at the content down there. Anyway, put myself back in the corner. So back in the dashboard here for videos, on any video that you've recorded here, such as these, of course, you can embed the content. You can change the title, you can copy the URL, you can share it to any number of other channels, Facebook, LinkedIn, social media. And of course, you can delete that. You don't need to go up to the pro versions. Pro versions are all very nice, but all of this is completely free. So highly recommended. Clapboard from Storyxpress, as you can see the address right above my head. I recommend you get on it and get recording. Thanks then.